Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. I'm just going to quickly show you how to save PDF document. There are two ways to do this. First option, if you select File, then you select Export, then select Create PDF or XP document. Then you select Create. Then you select wherever you want to save this document, Download or Document section, then select Publish. So now this document is saved as PDF. Another way to save this document is for you to go to File, select File, then select Save as PDF. Then you select Browse, scroll down and select PDF. Then give the file name. You can see it's showing us hello. Then you select Save. Now it's showing us the file is already existed before. Then you select Save. So you can see the file is now saved. These are quick two ways to save PDF. I hope it helped you. Thank you.